You set out to build an order management agent that handles tracking, returns, and delivery resolution, all within a single top-level orchestration layer. As the scope of the agent expands, the individual topics begin fighting for the exact same triggers and entity keywords, degrading the system's intent recognition. Soon, you hit a hard architectural constraint. Copilot Studio enforces an absolute maximum ceiling on the number of tools allowed per orchestration layer. The topic descriptions blur together, routing precision plummets, and the system stalls out, throwing massive prompt validation exceptions. Forcing a single conversational layer to manage completely distinct operational domains guarantees the architecture will collapse in production. The structural alternative to that top-level bottleneck is utilizing native child agents for sub-orchestration. This chart shows Microsoft's internal performance metrics after replacing a bloated top-level agent. Notice the 61% drop in response latency, alongside a 70% reduction in human escalations. To get these numbers, they deployed a decoupled hub-and-spoke execution boundary. The parent orchestrator delegates specific tasks down to lightweight subagents. When called, each child takes over and executes entirely within its own mini orchestration layer. By decoupling tools into localized child agents, you drastically shrink the parent orchestrator's routing surface, which repairs its natural language understanding. This map illustrates the Fabricam framework. We have a top-level parent orchestrator routing downward into 3 distinct boxes: order tracking, returns, and delivery issues. Instead of grouping all of those responsibilities together, we isolate tracking, returns, and delivery resolution into dedicated child workspaces. This setup offers a major application lifecycle management advantage over using connected third-party agents, which require entirely separate deployments. Because these are native child agents, they live directly inside the parent agent's exact environment and footprint. A single team can establish rigid domain boundaries for their tools without having to coordinate separate publishing steps or complex cross-team release cadences. The parent orchestrator relies on description-based routing as the default engine to evaluate user messages. Natural language matching evaluates the context of a prompt. If a user asks, "Where's my package?" or "Has my order shipped?" the system recognizes the shared intent and correctly routes both variations to the same tracking child agent. But if your child agent descriptions are vague, overlapping keywords across multiple agents will cause the orchestrator to misroute the user's intent. An effective description anchors tightly on a specific domain, like order fulfillment, while strictly avoiding terms like missing package or exchange that belong to adjacent agents. When you rely on dynamic natural language matching, that plain text description serves as your absolute, unforgiving execution boundary. Copilot Studio imposes a strict limit on the number of tools allowed within a single orchestration layer. If you add a tool directly to a child agent, you completely isolate that tool from the parent orchestrator. By scoping tracking knowledge exclusively to the order status child agent, you prevent the other subagents from competing for that exact same capacity. The parent orchestrator now only needs to evaluate its list of child agents, rather than parsing dozens of individual plugins simultaneously. By letting each child manage its own independent tool limit, you multiply your total enterprise tool capacity without triggering system exhaustion. Simply organizing your tools into subfolders is useless if you leave the runtime execution boundaries unsecured. This architectural flow illustrates the global tool visibility trap. If you leave a back-end lookup tool visible to the top-level orchestrator, you create a runtime tool conflict. The top-level AI ignores the child agent's instructions, bypasses the sub-orchestration layer entirely, fires the raw tool, and breaks your flow. To secure the vulnerability, open the tool's properties panel and disable the setting, allowing the agent to decide dynamically when to use it. Aggressively disabling these dynamic execution flags is mandatory to isolate your resources and force the system to obey your sub-orchestration hierarchy. Securing your tools is only the first step. You also have to secure the data. Natural language queries frequently lack the structured values required to trigger an enterprise backend lookup. This Copilot Studio input node demonstrates strict data validation. You configure explicit inputs on the child agent to enforce exactly what data format is required. By configuring deterministic condition prompts and retry loops, you force the child agent to harvest pre-validated parameters, like an exact regex order number, directly from the user. When you need guaranteed delegation, you use an agent redirect node. Once a topic has verified a customer's identity, this node allows you to bypass description-based routing entirely and send the pre-validated data unconditionally to a specific child agent. Pairing strict deterministic inputs with explicit redirect nodes creates a bulletproof hybrid architecture that resists natural language hallucinations. During ongoing operations, a back-end service outage or scheduled maintenance shouldn't require you to permanently delete architectural nodes. The parent orchestrator features an enabled toggle that acts as a temporary kill switch to cleanly pull a child agent out of rotation. Do not permanently delete a child agent if there are still active redirect nodes relying on it, as the missing references will cause errors in your topics. It is time to graduate from building basic chatbots and move into highly organized enterprise-scale domain routing. Navigate to the DX Labs platform right now to secure your free access and configure your first native subagent. Mastering these architectural constraints is the dividing line between building proof-of-concept toys and deploying true enterprise AI solutions.